One Giant Leap by Robert Burleigh. Eagle, 90 seconds of descent fuel left. Armstrong hears the warning. Now, all he has ever learned is focused on this. Nothing matters but this exact moment. Aldrin's nonstop voice calls out altitude numbers. 40 feet, 35, 30. Down they move, down and down, fast enough to conserve precious fuel, slow enough to land somewhere safely, he hopes. The Eagle dips, hovers, zigs, zags, dances over its own dark shadow. The seconds tick toward eternity. Time stops. Clouds of moon dust swirl like blackening fog, an almost terrifying blindness. And then, with only the very slightest bump, the small craft touches down. Woo!